are cold climate heat pumps on the horizon for commercial rooftop units?
I would say yes. I mean, we're developing them for, resident, or they're being looked at, quite hard for residential, and there's nothing that would, if anything, it would probably be easier to adapt it for commercial application. But like I mentioned before, it's kind of the robustness of the coils and the piping and the compressors and the selection of refrigerants to get you there.
Do you think we're going to start seeing a lot of that?
I think so, and I think like in the commercial setting, there's the heat recovery option, and I know that in systems that we put in, we definitely looked at heat recovery as a supplemental feature, and it reduces the peak demand. It takes, chops the peak off the heating load, and it makes it easier for the heat pump to supply the demand. So, and I would say that opportunity exists. It's a better opportunity in a commercial setting than let's say a residential.